Orland is a community of 8,000 residents in the city limits and about 15,000 in the area. We're in an agricultural area where there's heavy demand on groundwater just to support the agricultural economy. Of course, groundwater is also the essential source for drinking water, as well as cleaning and everything else that households do. So we have an overburdened resource that we need to find a way to make it sustainable, but we keep going through these cycles of drought every 5 or 7 years. And in this most recent drought, the 2020-21 timeframe, we had well over 200 local domestic wells that went dry or are at great risk of going dry. So to address the dry well problem, the more permanent solution to provide really reliable drinking water to people is to connect them up to a municipal system. And the City of Orland municipal system, with some enhancements, it's able to then extend that kind of a reliable water service to our neighbors just outside the city limits. This project is really helping the Orland community within the city limits as well as the community outside the city limits by providing a reliable water source to those people who are on domestic wells that are at risk of going dry or have gone dry. But it's also enhancing the reliability of our system inside the city, because the Department of Water Resources, as a part of this project of extending our services out into the county areas, is also funding the construction of a new well and a new 1 million gallon storage tank. So this project is going to enable the city to convert from the use of an 80,000 gallon legacy water tank to a 1 million gallon storage tank. And that new well would become part of the network of 7 other wells that we have in the city that taps into a part of the aquifer here that gives us a sustainable groundwater resource. And all of that will feed into the storage tank and then be distributed out to all of the customers, both the existing and the new customers.